Hi students, today I discuss topic molecular biology. Molecular biology. In this chapter, transcription, translation, citron and exons and splices. All these terms very most important in need purpose. Okay, because today we are going to the topic molecular biology. And already previous class also discussed the genetic code, DNA structure, and the searching material is DNA. Okay, experimental proof also, Michelson and Stahl experiments also discussed previous classes. Okay, now talk about molecular biology chapter. Now transcription unit. Okay, before now talk about what is the translation, what is the transcription. Okay, transcription, what is the transcription? DNA changes into RNA. Observe, DNA changes into RNA. That is the transcription. Okay, next, the RNA changes mRNA. That is the translation. Okay. Next, what is here clear now? The changes here called transcription and translation. The DNA changes into RNA and RNA changes into mRNA proteins. That is the translation. Okay. Now, in this purpose, the copying of genetic information from one strand of DNA into RNA is termed as transcription. Yes, the copying of genetic material means DNA changes into RNA. It is called as transcription. RNA changes into mRNA. RNA changes into mRNA protein. That is a translation. Okay, protein. Okay, it is called a translation. It's transcription and translation. This is the important terms. Here, what is the transcription unit? What is the translation unit? Translation unit. Okay, what is the translation? Here clear now? DNA changes into RNA. DNA changes into RNA transcription. RNA changes into protein. That is the translation. The principle of complementary in this transcription, DNA, RNA, protein. Next, what is the translation unit? Yes, this is the transcription unit. Transcription unit. This transcription unit majorly consists of three factors, the three parts, that is the structural genes, promoter, okay, need purpose only. The transcription unit consists of promoter, structural genes and terminator. The first one is promoter. Next, structural genes. Okay. The next one is terminator. The next one is terminator. Okay, clear? Promoter, structural genes, terminator. This is the transcription unit here. Major, the transcription unit consists of promoter, structural genes, terminator. What is the terminator? What is the structural genes? What is the promoter? In this process here, DNA consists of two strands. This is the one strand. This is the one strand. DNA is a double-stranded DNA. It consists of helical structure. The DNA segment inner side base present or nucleotides present. This is the double-stranded DNA. This is the one strand. This is the another strand. One strand, third frame to fifth frame, here observe. Third frame to fifth frame. Next, fifth to third frame. Here observe arrow. This is a here. One strand here. Fifth to third. Next one is fifth to here. Fifth to here. Here observe third frame, fifth frame, and fifth frame, third frame. This is the DNA two strands present. This is one strand, this is one strand. This strand here called as template strand. Template strand. This strands here called as template strand. The below strand here called as coding strand. Coding strand. Now observe carefully. What is the transcription unit? The transcription unit consists of three types of parts: promoter, structural genes, terminator. Generally, the DNA consists of double stranded. This is one strand, this is one. Third frame to fifth frame to third frame. Yes, the upper side strand. This strand here called as template. The below strand here called as coding strand. Coding strand. Next here, in this process, the DNA structural genes of transcription unit. Two strands have opposite polarity. DNA dependent on RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase. Generally, DNA dependent RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase. DNA dependent on RNA polymerase. Okay? Why? The DNA all cannot initiate the replication process. Okay? Cannot all initiate this process. You are required the first one RNA polymerase. Okay, because the DNA depending on RNA polymerase. This is the one strand, this is the one strand. Here are the arrow, fifth to third and fifth to third. Okay, this is the coding strand, this is the template strand. You now observe this structure here. In this structure, yes, here fifth frame. In this area, this structure present, this structure here called as promoter. Okay, this is called as promoter. Okay, what is the strand? Template strand. Here in between structural genes present. Structural genes present. Okay, here double strand. One strand, two strand here. Here observe these strands consist of promoter, structural genes. The last one here it is called as in this area terminator. It is called a terminator. Okay, transcription unit, two strands, promoter here present, the middle structural genes, the end of the process, that is called as terminator. Okay, what is this process? Promoter located towards the fifth end of coding strand. It is called as upstream. Next, terminator located towards the third end of this process. It is a downstream process, upstream process and downstream process. Okay. Next, promoter located towards the fifth end of coding strand. Yes, the fifth end. Where present? These attached, these located towards the fifth end. Okay, it is called as upstream process. The terminator located the third end, it is called as terminator. It is a downstream process. Okay, the middle structural genes. The promoter, it is called as the DNA replication site. It is called a transcription start site. Okay, this area means the promoter area here called as transcription start site. Transcription start site. Okay, the promoter site is called as transcription start site. Why here the third, always here the third end consists of RNA primer. RNA primer here, RNA primer here bind or present. Here RNA polymerase here present. Why? The DNA replication purpose. The initial process who start RNA. The replication process start after completion the total process of DNA. Okay, means the DNA one cannot initiate the replication process. First initiate process. RNA start after this process close DNA. Okay, in this area RNA polymerase present. Okay, now this RNA polymerase means the DNA depending on RNA polymerase. Okay, the replication starting purpose. Okay, here RNA polymerase initially start the replication process. Replication process. Okay, these replication process they start now. This process elongation, rounding. It is called as elongation process or like this here. Understanding purpose elongation or structural process. This is the initial. RNA present, promoter present, here suitable for synthesis of. Here RNA here help to the DNA replication purpose. Okay, RNA. Here the replication process start. Where to where? The third to fifth side here. Okay, here this replication process here moves, start and reach the fifth end. Fifth end. RNA polymerase helped initiation the replication process. This process rounding that is called as the middle area called as elongation or structural genes. When this replication process, the transcription process, when reach the fifth end, the fifth end here called as the transcription process end process. Okay, end of the transcription process. When reach this fifth end. When reached fifth end transcription, that is the end of the process. End of the process. Okay, this is the transcription in simple process. Promoter structural genes terminated. Two strands here present. Third frame, fifth frame, fifth frame, third frame. Here observe the arrow fifth to third and fifth to third. This area promoter present. The promoter located towards the fifth end of upstream. The terminator located and the third end of downstream. So the middle area structural genes present. The promoter consists of, the third end consists of RNA polymerase or primers. As RNA polymerase initiate the replication process, after this RNA polymerase or primers fall off or would separate, get separate. Okay, after initiation, the transcription process is over. The RNA polymerase or RNA primer fall off or get separated. This is the transcription process, simple method of process. Here required enzymes also required. Okay, here enzymes also required the transcription purpose. Okay, transcription purpose. Template stand. This is a template stand. This is a coding stand. Okay, here enzymes also required. All point of defining transcription unit made with reference to the coding stand. Next, this process here. The promoter and terminator flanking the structural genes. Where located is all this? Promoter, structural is terminator. All these flung in the template stand. Where located? The upper side. This here also promoter, structural is terminator. Okay, flung in the template stand. Okay. These transcription, the promoter said to be located towards the fifth end. Okay, this is the process. The structural genes, this one also there. Okay, this is the process of transcription. The next one is the transcription in genes. transcription unit genes. What is the transcription unit genes means here? A gene is defined functional unit of inheritance. Especially the gene is defined inheritance, functional unit of inheritance. What is the inheritance? The genes transfer to the one organism to another organism, one cell to another cell, Okay, this is the one process. Next process here, in this process, this here polycystronic, monocystronic process. A need by fit purpose, polycystronic, monocystronic, poly and monocystronic. Is the gene enters DNA sequence, the coding for RNA or RNA molecule, cistron, a segment of DNA coding. Cistron here, a segment of DNA, is observed. Cistron, a segment of DNA molecule or DNA coding for a polypeptide. DNA coding for a polypeptide. Next process here, the structural gene transcription unit can be said to be monocystronic. Yes, simply here, the cystronic means a segment of DNA coding for polypeptide. The structural genes here, the structural genes said to be monocystronic. Okay, transcription unit, that genes. Okay, transcription unit and that genes. Transcription unit and that genes. This is again. In this process, cistron is a segment of DNA coding for polypeptide and structural genes said to be monocystronic. Okay, the structural genes in transcription unit. The structural genes in transcription unit are called as transcription unit called as monocystronic. Structural genes transcription unit are called as monocystronic. In polycystronic. Monocystronic or polycystronic. In eukaryotic or prokaryotic. In eukaryotic and eukaryotics and prokaryotics. Okay, this is the transcription unit and the genes. Okay, what is the genes here? The DNA consists of two strands. Okay, one is the template strand here. In this process, coding strand, right? The cistron, a segment of DNA coding for a polypeptide. The other structural genes transcription unit called as monocystronic or polycystronic in eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Process. In this process, this transcription coding. What is the coding strand and what is the template strand here? In transcription unit, coding strand consists of these bases, the coding strand, and the next one is template strand. Okay. The transcription unit consists of two strands. The two strands here. One is the coding, another one is template. You are now observed here. This is the one strand. This is the another strand. Okay. This strand here, third thread to fifth thread. Next, this strand, fifth thread to third thread. Okay. This is the one strand. This is the one strand. This strand here called as template strand. This strand here called as coding strand. Now observe what is this coding coding span, and template span, and template span.